And here it is, in the middle of a top end, bottom end rebuilds on this 2005 WR450F. The main reason why I have to split the cases now is because, well, the bike jumped timing on me, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna put a new timing chain in here and a cam chain tensioner. And when I split this cover off, I noticed, I don't know if you could hear that, but there's some bottom end play in those main bearings. So now I'm gonna do a little video on how to rebuild that, and we're gonna get this thing up and running. I'm gonna install the bearings on the WR450F bottom end. Got the bearings right here in the freezer. They've been in there for a couple hours. Preheating the oven to 350. Gonna throw the case in there for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Take it out, put it over there on the table, take the bearings out of the freezer, and hopefully they go in with ease. We'll see. Alright, let's fucking get it going! It's game time, baby! Case number 2, fresh out the oven. Who's hungry? Alright, fucking do this. All genuine, baby. This is a main bearing. That's definitely fucking in there. Nice, baby. Main shaft, small bearing. Going nuts over this. There we go. I just want to rush so that these fucking things don't. This is the counter shaft big bearing. Alright. Make sure those letters are facing up. Well, this one's sealed bearing, so I guess it just goes in straight like that. Yeah, why can't... Ah, fuck. Come on, you just slid right in. There that goes. Nice. Why can't they all do like that? And then this one is the counter shaft needle bearing. Letters facing out. Very good job. Very good job. Come on, you bitch. That's it. All bearings are in. She's all done. Just to give you a little update on what I did here, I put in a new crank, new main bearings, new balancer bearings, new transmission bearings. You know, every single bearing, every seal, every O-ring was replaced with all genuine OEM parts. I went with a new piston, stock, with new rings. I put in new valve seals. I put in a new shim on one of the exhaust valves to get it back in spec. One of them was a little tight. So now we're going to take it outside, try to start it up for the first time, see if she purrs. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm gonna let it fully cool down, check the oil, and make a